Hello, my name is Ebonie Johnson, and this is my case study presentation on Robin Thicke versus Marvin Gaye's estate over blurred lines. Thank you. I hope you enjoy. The music industry is a hard business, but it brings awareness to the musical creativity of artists and provides an opportunity for creative expression. In this case, it did the complete opposite. The case between Robin Thicke and the Marvin Gaye estate over blurred lines made national headlines as the claim of copyright infringement by Robin Thicke over the song Blurred Lines was broadcasted. It was claimed that the songwriter Pharrell Williams and artist Robin Thicke copied a song from Marvin Gaye made in 1977, Got to Give It Up. The underlying interest of Williams and Thicke was to maintain the legacy of Williams as the legendary hitmaker he is and to preserve the future creativity of the music industry. Furthermore, Robin Thicke sought to protect the revenue for past and future sales of the song. For the Gaye estate, the children felt that the song was stolen or copied without permission and felt they needed to be paid for its use. Robin Thicke stands by his word that his song does not infringe on Marvin Gaye's Got to Give It Up song, and he offered a six-figure sum of money to the Gaye family to avoid a legal battle. Gaye's family filed a counterclaim stating that there is infringement and that there is even more songs that Robin Thicke has had that's similar to Marvin Gaye and that they deserve the royalties and previous earnings from that song. The industry standard of the entertainment business was really tested during this negotiation. This case set precedent for suing artists for copyright infringement based on the feel of a song. According to Williams, the verdict handicaps any creator out there who is making something that might be inspired by something else. In this case, it changes industry standards of music creativity and production. And regarding to separating the people from the problem, Robin Thicke attempted to offer a lump sum of money to the Gaye estate in an attempt to resolve the problem prior to any legal battle because he chose to look at the issue from their point of view. The offer did not prove successful. Also, in reference to game theory, there were several strategies for winning the case of copyright infringement in order to beat the other person to the punch. As stated previously, Robin Thicke tried to offer money prior to court. Then, once denied, filed a lawsuit against the estate claiming no copyright infringement. Next, the Gaye estate did a counterclaim where Robin Thicke anticipated a win-win situation. It turned out to be quite the opposite. What went well? What went well during the negotiation was that there was a legal process in place which had the proper research, song samples, and clear communication of bargaining positions. Both sides knew exactly what the other side wanted and stood for. What went wrong? As for what went wrong, although there was clear communication, much more effort could have been put into both parties in mutually understanding what the other party felt and were coming from. Furthermore, in the grand scheme of things, there was no mutual benefit reached in regards to bargaining positions. Also, mediation could not take place and it had to go to trial, which suggests that the parties were not able to come to an agreement on their own. There was an agreement reached that favored the Gaye's estate in the amount of over $5 million. It is not imagined that it would foster a long-term relationship between the two parties because it shook the legal side of the entertainment industry and could have tarnished the creative title of Robin Thicke and Pharrell Williams in the music industry. As for the Gaye's estate, they came out on the winning side and were able to maintain their father's legacy. These are the references in regards to the presentation that I just did. Thank you for listening to the presentation. I learned a lot about negotiation, and I really learned a lot about a new case. Thank you so much for the class, and that is the end of my time.